Hello everybody. I have opened my Metasploit console. What we are going to do today? We are just trying to check how the Metasploit console works. Right? Let's get started. Remember, I'm using two laptops. One would be my attacker's machine, and one would be the one on which I will be performing the attack. So they both will be having different IP addresses. Get started. The first step which I am going to perform is I am going to get the IP address of the machine on which I am going to perform the attack. So let's say that the IP address of it is, I'll have to go to the CMD of that machine and I'll type ipconfig to get the address. Yeah, I've got the address. Now what am I going to do? I have the address now. The thing I'll be doing is I will try to exploit the vulnerability which is called as eternal blue. So in my MSF6 console, I'll type use exploit slash windows slash smb slash ms 17 dash 010 dash eternal blue. Alright, enter. No payload configured, defaulting to Windows, blah blah blah. Alright, this is set. Now the second step would be to click on to write show options. We have a lot of options here. Now the third thing would be to set the target IP address. So it would be set our host hide and then the IP address of the target machine, which is my our host is set. Now what am I going to do? Now I'll set the payload. So set payload LOAD Windows slash x64, that is the operating system, slash m meter Peter Pritter slash reverse underscore TCP. Let's see what it does. My payload is set. Now what am I going to do? Now I'm going to set the IP address of the machine from which I'm going to perform the attack, right? So for that it will be set lhost and then the IP address. Right. My IP address is set. Now I will put exploit. Let's see what it does. Target is not vulnerable. So why did I get this error? Which because I have not made any kind of the changes on my machine on which I am going to perform an attack. So this machine is not vulnerable. Now in few days I'll try to check how to make those changes so that we can perform a successful attack. I hope this is clear. See you in the next video. Bye.